Okay, let's crack on. So next section we're going to have a look at is the calculate section, a section which is very, very often poorly done. And if you teach A-level economics as I do, you probably find that your students in the sixth form struggle just as much as GCSE students. Remarkably so, even though most of them do A-level maths alongside their A-level economics. So I always tell my students that they need to be numerate, but they don't need to be Einstein to do GCSE or A-level economics. So we're really just looking at addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. Standard kinds of equations, nothing difficult. Total revenue, profit, calculate a rate of growth. But do make sure that your candidates show they're working, and marks will be lost if they don't include the units. So again, really important to just include units, and that should be hammered home to them in science and maths lessons anyway, so they should be used to that sort of thing. Again, encourage them to show they're working. It does say that on every paper at the end of these type of questions, but often that is not done, but do encourage them to do so. And I've just highlighted there the unemployment rate again as something that students find difficult to do. Just calculating rates and rates of change is something that they find difficult. So here are a few examples. Some of these are taken from multiple choice, and from the multiple choice section we were looking at previously, we saw that aspect of application and quantitative skills is tested a lot in the multiple choice as well. So here are some of those multiple choice questions. I would highlight a few sections. I would say gross pay and net pay are not well understood. Calculating a profit, again, revenue minus costs, is not well understood. Percentage changes in national output is not well understood. And even straightforward, kind of the last question 14 there, just a straightforward subtraction style question is not particularly well answered in some cases. So again, do just encourage your candidates, give them as much practice at those types of questions as you possibly can. Okay, so let's move on.